Reinhold Andreas Messner, born on September 17, 1944, is an Italian mountaineer, explorer, and author hailing from South Tyrol. He is best known for his remarkable achievements in the world of mountaineering. Messner made history by completing several groundbreaking expeditions and setting numerous records. Born in St. Peter, Vilnius, near Brixen in South Tyrol, Messner grew up in modest means as the second of 9 children. His passion for mountaineering started at a young age, climbing in the Alps and falling in love with the Dolomites. Messner's father, a strict and sometimes severe man, took him to his first summit when he was just 5 years old. This early experience sparked a lifelong passion for the mountains. Messner became known in the 1960s for his achievements in the Alps, leading over 500 ascents, most of them in the Dolomites. His first major Himalayan climb came in 1970 when he joined an expedition to attempt the unclimbed Rupal face of Nanga Parbat. Despite tragic events on the descent, Messner reached the summit and his brother Gunther, who had climbed alongside him, lost his life. This expedition marked a turning point in Messner's life, solidifying his determination to conquer the world's highest peaks. He made the first solo ascent of Mount Everest and, alongside Peter Habeler, the first ascent of Everest without supplemental oxygen. Messner also crossed Antarctica and Greenland without snowmobiles or dog sleds and successfully traversed the Gobi Desert alone. From 1999 to 2004, he served as a member of the European Parliament for Northeast Italy, representing the Federation of the Greens. Messner is also a prolific author, having published over 80 books detailing his experiences as a climber and explorer. He is widely regarded as the greatest mountaineer of all time, inspiring generations of climbers to follow in his footsteps and explore the world's highest peaks. Reinhold Messner's legacy will forever be etched in the annals of mountaineering history. That was a glimpse into Reinhold Messner's life. Comment to suggest new story. Like and follow for more.